Joshua 24 verse 15, "But as for me and my household, we will serve the Lord." Proverbs 22 verse 6, "Start children off on the way they should go, and even when they are old they will not turn from it." Colossians 3 verse 13, "Bear with each other and forgive one another if any of you has a grievance against someone. Forgive as the Lord forgave you." Psalm 127 verses 3 to 5, "Children are a heritage from the Lord, offspring a reward from Him. Like arrows in the hands of a warrior are children born in one's youth. Blessed is the man whose quiver is full of them." Ephesians 6 verses 1 to 4, "Children, obey your parents in the Lord, for this is right. Honor your father and mother, which is the first commandment with a promise, so that it may go well with you and that you may enjoy long life on the earth. Fathers, do not exasperate your children, instead, bring them up in the training and instruction of the Lord." 1 Corinthians 13 verse 7, "Love always protects, always trusts, always hopes, always perseveres." Isaiah 54 verse 13, "All your children will be taught by the Lord, and great will be their peace." Psalm 103 verse 17, "But from everlasting to everlasting the Lord's love is with those who fear Him, and His righteousness with their children's children." Proverbs 3 verse 33, "The Lord's curse is on the house of the wicked, but He blesses the home of the righteous." 3 John 1 verse 4, "I have no greater joy than to hear that my children are walking in the truth." Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time. God bless you.